Well, good morning from the ridge.
Good. Already flipping hot.
Yeah. So even though it's a hot one, guys, we've made some adjustments. We brought the canopy up on top of the platform. One, it's less of a fall risk. Two, it gives us a little bit of shade while we're working. And we hope having that sun coverage, kind of helps us when we need to take a break and such. We're going to work until we feel it's not safe to do so. Yeah. We don't know if that's one post, two posts, all the posts. We don't know. We're just going to keep plugging away and take frequent breaks. But we can't stop on progress because harvest is already occurring. We need this kitchen. So I'll kind of pull you guys back and show you what we've done with the work site. It's not very hard. All I gotta do is bring you out here. Not like you had to walk far, but so we brought the saw up, we have the canopy up here, and we did stage some of the wood, but with my propensity of falling, I did not want to clutter the platform with any more than we had to. The least amount of things on the deck is more safe for me. He's gonna go get the ladder, and then we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to start on the next part of this project. So all of these posts on this side are gonna get cut at exactly 7 foot. So right now he's marking out where he's gonna make his cuts.
That's our 7 feet. 7 feet.
One down.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Saw the south. Sweet potato pie and a sawzall mouth. No?
Sure, baby.
It was me or it, and it lost the battle. Saved myself.
Oh, those two are cut off.
I mean, that's...
All right, so we've worked out our numbers and we are ready to cut and space the very first header post. Is that what we're calling them?
Remember, our post got off, so we lost a little bit. All right.
Are you happy with that, boss man?
Yeah, as long as we remember that number and cut all 3 at the same.
Give me that drill handle. Oh, on this.
Look. So slide it all the way up against the post.
needs to come down your way.
I know. Get it up there and we can work it there. Okay. Because we can move the post a little bit, and then I think what we'll do is we'll grab the level to check each one.
Yeah. Because now I'm like, I hear all.
Yeah, this is going to tie them all together. I love you.
I love you. I love my heart. Pound, 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 pound. All right. Whew. Break time. Okay. We'll bring you guys back after we take our hot weather break. All right, baby. Handsome man.
What happened?
Tell the good people what you're doing, do.
I don't know what I'm doing. We said that from the first video. We're gonna try to make 45 brackets.
Try.
I think. So how far?
Go up a little bit. I think maybe even a little bit more, babe. Because I don't want you hitting your head. Yeah, yeah, that looks proportional. You want me to hold it for you and you can see and step back?
Oh, as long as you like it.
Well, I want you to like it too. Go look.
The post holder's pretty sexy. Oh, is that not what I'm looking at? No, I think that's...
Oh. You got me all excited.
I think that's great. And we'll get them black lags and run them in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's our template.
Yay.
We're not gonna overcomplicate this.
Nope. All right, I'm gonna go down and see what we got for posts.
So next question is...
Oh yeah, I like this one much better. So guys, that is the very first of the 45s, and I love how it looks like a corral, or you know, very westerny. I love that, very rustic. But it's the heat of the day. We are going to take a break, eat some lunch, and cool off because I think we're getting a little overheated a little bit.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's a good point. We got to this front part, and that's what we were really trying to do. Was at least give us one more step. So
right,
yeah,
every little bit counts.
Go get some tea.
Yeah, we might be coming back after this. Well, after the heat of the day. So stay with us. We're not done yet.
Boo.
Yeah, we're back.
Thought we were gone forever. No, we came back.
It was the same. It's the same day.
Just different clothes, cause
yeah, we showered.
Well, yeah, we were gross.
And then we went on a little date day.
Yeah.
Went out for lunch.
Got
and
ice cream.
I took him to get ice cream.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I even shared it with her.
I had a few bites. I didn't want to get a sour tummy on days like this. But good news is the sun is down slightly over the horizon, so we are able to come back out and work, and it's not brutal.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tackle the other side because we can't just sit still. We've got to do something. But all right, let's do this. I'm gonna go get bug spray. I'm already getting bit.
Oh, look, taking a break. We ain't even got started yet. I'm thinking I'm gonna try these ones with a skill saw.
Nice diversion, my love. Good job. Hold up my skirt.
That's me where I was
Where are we going?
going. I don't know. That way somewhere.
Easy.
Sorry.
Don't make me dance.
I like you, baby.
Clear. I don't know why I threw it that way. I'm used to throwing that way and wrong pile. It's over there.
And
What?
189 and an 8.
Ow. You can't do that. I'll throw my back out. 189.
89, what are you doing?
186. 180.
The other 9, babe. Use the right 9. Too much peer pressure?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta go to this side.
So one of the times we were at the Restore, I think it was in Springfield, we ran across hardware like you would not believe at $5 a box. Kind of our thing with thrifting. We may not have needed it then, but we'll need it eventually. And we picked up these spikes. The one you guys saw earlier that we pounded into that first post. Show them, baby.
What, these little guys?
Yeah. Barn spikes. We didn't know at the time. I don't even think we had the tiny house built yet when we bought these.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna have to edit that out.
What?
Now you've got the sour belly from the ice
I
cream.
got the. I took care of that barking spider though. I thought we bought these at a Restore
Was it the one in Michigan?
in Michigan.
Oh, we did put them in the Penske truck, didn't we?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure these are our northern find ones.
Oh, well then we've been hauling those for a while.
Yeah, they've been travelers.
Going a little crooked, my love.
Just look with your other eye, it'll be okay. Okay. It's a little moist.
It's still very humid. I
Yeah.
think we lost the breeze.
Sorry, the sun's down and we're
Right.
not frying our skin, so.
We're getting higher, folks. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do the middle like this, but we're gonna have to come up with some other plan. So we're gonna try to get this one. We're a foot higher than we were on the first one. But it's all part of the plan. So we gotta make it work. Gotta make it happen.
We have a plan? Since when?
Of course we have.
Oh. Okay.
Oh gosh. Babe, I don't know if I put it up good enough for them to see.
I don't know, but. Hold that there, don't move nothing. Don't move nothing. Don't move nothing.
Oh,
Hey! Don't move.
I'm too scared to move.
I see you moving.
Favorite.
You weren't supposed to move.
Guys, you weren't supposed to tell on me. Gee, thanks. I thought we were friends.
Okay. So
Just don't make any sudden movements.
you should have a pencil mark.
Yeah, I'm on my pencil mark.
You're on your pencil mark?
Yeah.
Don't
I mean, it
Babe.
could go like an eighth of an inch.
Okay, as long as you can see the pencil mark,
I can
that's all that.
see the pencil mark.
All right, so just leave it there. That ain't going nowheres. All right. So you want to do the same?
Same thing, which we are gonna go and we're gonna cut all of our 45s to put up here. You all have watched it once. I'm not gonna make you watch it again. I mean, if you want to watch it again, just hit rewind.
Okay. Only one looks like crap.
They don't look like crap, baby.
That one does.
Do we have any more daylight left? It's going down pretty faster than I wanted it to.
No, we'll probably have to pick it up in the morning.
Okay. All right, you heard the boss man. We will see you guys back in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we are back at it. Well,
Yeah.
we've been at it because we had quite a long, extensive day in the garden this morning already. Pruning and treating and all that stuff. So, but we are trying to get out here and get work done on the outdoor kitchen before it gets
Too brutal.
yeah.
So we've got a plan of, we got to run like a, I'm going to call it a header across, connecting
Just
back wall all the way to front wall.
we'll show you. Let's just show them.
We'll get it up there.
Well, we got to show them when we're doing it.
Oh. How do we do that?
We actually have to work.
What?
Yeah.
You
let's
come
go.
at me with them 4-letter words, lady?
Come on, we got stuff to do.
Oh, I don't know about you.
Yeah, let me show you guys. We got the solar panels out here.
I mean, they're not in the sun all the way yet, but they're...
No, but they will be, but I
Yeah.
mean, why wouldn't we, right? Because we're dorks. We could have had those set up the whole time.
Okay, drop your end down just a little. Ooh. Go back up. Okay.
It's only a little heavy.
Ah,
It's okay. It's only a little heavy.
okay.
Say, huh? What'd you say?
Gotta go to the bottom. It's twisted so until I get this other end up. But that's enough. That should drop in.
much easier than I anticipated it was going to be. I didn't have to do a dang thing. Good job, baby.
At that height, that was the plan, was because we only have the one taller ladder right now. So
no, that was brilliant.
yeah, putting the blockers
That
up
was
there.
really good.
Find my tea.
Okay, quick hydration break. Blah, 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 blah. Hydration break. Now we're cutting the 45s for the uppers. That went so much easier than I thought it was going to be. I was really worried.
Okay, change of design.
Well, not really change of design. We realized we kind of made a mistake.
Well, yeah. So we carried this all the way across to all three, but if you paid attention, these 3 rows of posts are at 3 different heights.
For a reason.
Yeah, and you'll see it, but we didn't like how we're restricted to this low because of the porch beams.
Yeah.
But the back kitchen beam, that wall is taller, so we're gonna cut this. This will actually be one of our first rafters for the porch, so it's not a wasted board. And then we're gonna cut another one to connect this to that.
Yeah.
Because that seems
That's the plan now.
the gooder way to do it.
Keep her straight, baby. Keep her straight. Ha! Reverberation hurts.
Oh gosh. Don't ask me what I'm doing. Okay, I got the board.
All right, I gotta move the ladder.
Okay, you ready? Oh, this is fun.
Okay, we are gonna take a hydration break. The sun is like beating down on us, and we need to just do this in stages. Guys, it's rafter time. Ha ha ha! So excited. So we're gonna make a template first and hope we get it right, and then we can just transfer those marks to the rest of all the rafters.
Should in theory be it.
Where do you want to cut it?
Over there on the chop saw. Like, I'm gonna use it as a work table.
Okay, we had an amazing lunch. Homemade spaghetti.
Yum!
Ah, and we sat down in the cool air for like, I don't know. Yeah, bad plan. Yeah, but we're back out, and before we went to lunch, we made sure that we had the first rafter template exactly how Jason wanted it, fitting like a glove. So now we get to start mass producing these rafters for the porch side. Hi. Oh, ha ha. You got me all flustered, babe.
Well, how'd I fluster you?
You're just being present.
Say,
I put the wrong one down.
all I did was walk up.
Yeah, that's all it takes. Okay, that part of it's just gonna be wash, rinse, repeat. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep moving forward. Ain't gonna make you watch each and every single one of them. That's it. That's all we got. I'm drenched. You're drenched.
Yeah. Gosh, that looks amazing.
But anyway, it's not the end yet, guys. This video is still gonna keep going because I want this to be a great video for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. We are gonna come back and we're gonna hit it again tomorrow. So yeah, see you in the morning.
Bye now.
Let's straighten it up. There we go. All right, guys, we are back at it this morning.
Holy gamoly, do we ever stop?
It's time to zip off the excess.
Yeah.
Yep, and then, well, just stick around and wait and see, because we got a lot more coming up.
Shenanigans is what we got.
$141 is the number.
It's made.
Do that for me.
Why not? I wasn't scared.
I ain't scared.
I ain't scared.
I ain't scared. Is this one of those MacGyver things? Good idea, baby.
I figured it was better than us trying to
No, that was
wing
perfect.
and ding it.
Wing it, ding it. Yeah. Last one.
Swap batteries. Not a battery, Captain.
We're about ready to lose any shade that we have. And then it's gonna be full sun. So I guess it's a good thing that we are down to our last 20-foot 2x6. So that is gonna become our rafter template. And we're gonna base everything off of that. And then we gotta make a supply run. So it looks like we'll be going on the hottest part of the day, which does not make me upset.
Oh, to supply run?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's just putting in a few more bolts, guys. I ain't gonna put you through that. So we're just gonna go ahead and stop this. And then as soon as we get the other 2x6 ready to roll to go up top, then I'll bring you back.
Let me stage this up here.
Come give me a hug.
Hi.
Where are you going?
It's hot.
It is hot.
I'm going to go see my favorite podcast,
My Lanta, you need to be in the sun more. You're a vampire.
The Basement Yard.
The basement yard.
Yeah, they're really funny.
All right, well, tell the good people hello and goodbye.
Hello, goodbye.
Have fun. Be safe. Leave your location on.
I know.
Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Get this. Because then we know where these posts. So we take that out.
Okay.
Well, we went to town, did the supply run for the 9 boards we were short. But it makes sense. We put extra supports underneath the deck that we didn't originally plan for, and then we did some upper supports that weren't in the original drawing. So to only have to go back and get 9 boards, we're not mad at. And we thought we were gonna go just, hey, we're gonna dodge the heat. Well, it cooled down. And we dodged a heck of a rainstorm. Those clouds were black. So, but it stopped just as we were about to load the lumber. So the lumber's still fairly mostly as dry as it's gonna be. It's gonna get wet up there anyways. We're getting some sprinkles on and off, but it's enough. We're gonna get back and start taking these off to make our rafters. We need 8 more made because we have one. That's the template. We'll get those all cut out and get them up.
It's been a wild ride here on the ridge in the beautiful Ozark Mountains of Arkansas. Between the soaking rain, the pop-up storms, and this unrelenting heat and humidity, tackling this post and beam framing for the first time has definitely pushed us, but that's what building a dream is all about. But we're still out here learning, building, sweating, and chasing our dreams, one board at a time, one day at a time. If you've been following along, thank you. We're so glad to have y'all with us on this journey. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming up next. We've still got a long way to go, and we'd love to share it with you.